Most decks in Ontario require a deck permit if it's over 100 square feet, if it's more than 24 inches, and if it's attached to the house. If it meets any one of these three criteria, it needs a deck permit. How do you get one? Well, you can go to your local building department and ask for the requirements, but everybody will pretty much tell you the same thing. Submit drawings showing where the deck is located, its dimensions, and construction details. Unless you have a background in drafting and producing drawings, or you have a lot of time on your hands to learn a brand new skill, do not bother. It's going to take a long time to produce drawings that the city would approve. We've had many homeowners figuring, oh, I'll do it. It's going to be easy. It's just a deck. Well, listen, you know what spans you should use in your joists, how to position your deck footings, what size the deck footing should be. There could be engineering requirements, a lot of information. So you need to find a company that will do those drawings for you. It could be an architectural company. Our company also provides this service. You can expect to pay an average $2,000 to produce these drawings for a deck. Might seem like a lot of money, but a lot of information goes into preparing a deck permit drawing. Then once you have the drawings, you can take it to the city and apply for the permit. There is no guarantee that the drawing will be approved. Maybe the deck is too large. Maybe there's some other issues that you did not know about. And then after you pay the city fee, which is not very high, typically it's only a few $100, hopefully then you get your deck permit. After the deck permit is issued, you will have inspections throughout the build, confirming that what you build actually corresponds to what's in the drawings. If you work with a reputable contractor, many of them should be able to take care of that process. Maybe some of them will factor it into the price, either will put it as a separate line item, but we as a company produce a lot of drawings for contractors, so that $2,000 cost, that's your average cost that somehow will be factored into your deck project if you choose to go with a deck permit.